In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit in Google Sheets. So the way that we're going to do this is using the convert function. This is the basic syntax of the convert function. It has three parameters. Value, that is the first numeric value that you want to convert. Start unit is the unit of measurement that your numeric value is currently in, and then end unit is the value that you want to convert it to. So you can use this convert function with a ton of different units of measurement. I'm not going to go over those today. I'm just going to focus on temperature. These are the different values that are accepted as your start units or end units in temperature. We're only going to use F and C for Fahrenheit and Celsius. So this is a pretty simple function to use. I'm just going to start it here, equals convert. So the first parameter, value, then my start unit. So currently this data is in Celsius, so inside quotation marks I'm going to put a C for Celsius, and I want to convert it to Fahrenheit. So inside quotation marks I'm going to put an F for Fahrenheit, add my closing parentheses, and you can see that converts from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So it's pretty simple. And then if we're going to do the reverse, if we're going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, it's the same thing. This is my value, start unit. This is currently Fahrenheit. I want to convert it to Celsius. And then I'm going to copy and paste this formula down, and that converts from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So temperature conversion with the convert function is super easy, but you can also convert between a ton of different measurements. I only covered temperature today. If you want to take a look at some of the other units of measurements you can use, click on the link to my blog post that I will put in the description of this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer everyone.